Political risk, country risk. What is political risk meaning? It is a faced by overseas investors as the adverse action by the government for of a host country may lead to huge loss. So political risk country election now USA has imposed tax for the goods that is imported to USA because of the tariff that is India has laid on USA. Such a thing. It is political risk. Assessment and identification. The political risk can be identified by the following action by the government of host countries. Confiscation of overseas properties. Our properties been confiscated by them. Rationing remittance to home country. Whatever the money what we receive, they are cutting TDS. Restriction of conversion of currency. This much limiting amount can only be converted. Restriction on its borrowing. You can borrow, but if you need to pay tax. Price control of the product. We will determine the price. We will put as a assessment tax. We will put custom tariff for importing, exporting. That is thing. Or a product price, competitive tax will be paid. You should pay for selling this product. Organization interested in making investment in the foreign country assess the country's risk by referring political ranking. So which country ranks which they will give or something. Evaluating macroeconomic condition. So how we make this investment can access this country's risk. Na? We should see what country is favorable, what country is not favorable. Analyzing popularity of current government. So whether this government is going to be there or going to dissolve or what bankrupt, we can analyze by their political environment. Taking advice from emphasis. So we can go and get a consultant and get overthink. Okay, this is work will work. We can get from political parties or sometimes there are consultants who will help you out. Management mitigation. Technique way to manage political risk follows. What are the local sourcing of raw material and labor to reduce it? Problem locally source your thing. Entering into joint venture. Don't go and invest there. Bring a partner in the country so you can share it. Local financing. Don't go for global financing. You have a local financing. Prior negotiation. Always have an agreement before doing anything. So, and as per the agreement, they need to honor. This is the way for political risk.